Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these 4x6 frames from Dollar Tree and Burlap I got from Walmart. I'm using 4 of the frames. I start by removing the inserts from them. The part that is shown on the front of the frame, I'm using that to attach the burlap to. I add Mod Podge to that and then place down the piece of burlap I had cut a little bit larger than that piece. I smooth it out and then use my heating tool to make sure that's completely dry and attached. I then remove the excess burlap. And I do that to all 4 of the inserts. I apply Mod Podge all around the edge to help prevent the burlap from fraying. I then take the backings from the frames and I remove the stands because I will be hanging these. All those burlap pieces I made, I hot glue those to the backing. It just helps keep them in place and give them a little bit more sturdiness. I then place the burlap and backing into each of the frames. And then we'll be using some of these pieces of plank wood. These are also from Dollar Tree. They're about 4.5 by 4.5. I paint one side of each of them as well as the edges with Plaster colored chalk paint by Waverly. I then will be using a few different sets of these stamps I got from Dollar Tree. If you can't find them at Dollar Tree, Temu has a good selection of clear stamps. I take one of the stamps, place it on the stamp block, which is also from Dollar Tree, and put ink on the stamp and then press it down onto the plank wood. I'll do 1 per piece. And the last thing I have to do is hot glue that piece of plank wood to the burlap, just eyeballing it to get it centered. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.